Welcome back to the Daily Walk with Rascal. Well, hello there, and hopefully this doesn't sound as bad as it did the other day. Oh, wait, quick Rascal check. Rascal, how you doing? How you doing? You want to talk to the people? You want to talk to the people? No? Okay. You know, it's ironic. I upload a video where I say, hey, I'm sorry for taking a break. Won't happen again for a while. And then I immediately don't post another one of these. It's just funny to me, but yeah, it's hard to describe, but basically on the walk with Rascal, there was a lot of like stuff going on the street and I couldn't really film anything. It was just like a whole thing. And then I couldn't post an update saying that I couldn't film anything because I was out all Thursday afternoon. So it was like, ugh, there was a lot of things. So I'm sorry for that as well. So hopefully we'll not take any more breaks. Thank you all for watching. If you want me to talk about something on these walks, please let me know down in the comments and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.